Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the versatile rolling storage cart with drawers, a perfect blend of functionality and style for any room in your home or office. This utility cart features 8 spacious drawers in vibrant colors, allowing you to organize your items by category with ease, while the smooth slide-out design and ergonomic handles make accessing your belongings a breeze. The sturdy wooden tabletop is ideal for displaying plants, printers, or other decorations, and the cart's durable construction includes a powder-coated steel frame that's both water and rust-resistant, ensuring it stands the test of time. Whether you're a housewife, office worker, student, or craftsman, this cart is designed to meet your diverse storage needs, from tools and sewing supplies to art materials and beauty products. Equipped with 4 360-degree swivel wheels, including lockable ones for added stability, this cart offers unmatched mobility without scratching your floors or creating noise. Assembly is made simple with clear instructions and detailed installation videos, and our considerate service team is ready to assist if your item arrives damaged. Transform your living space, classroom, or workspace with this practical and stylish rolling storage cart, and enjoy the convenience and organization it brings to your daily life. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.